wanderlust travelers. Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're dreaming about paradise or thinking about your next getaway, then you need to drop everything because today we're talking about Mauritius, which is a tropical heaven that has everything you need for the ultimate vacation or honeymoon. From breathtaking beaches to heart-pounding adventures, I've got the top 5 things you absolutely have to do when you visit this island paradise. So, let's jump in. First up, Tamarind Falls, also known as the Seven Cascades, and let me tell you, it's a waterfall lover's dream. Picture this, a series of stunning waterfalls surrounded by lush greenery and tropical forest. You can hike through this incredible landscape, get up close to the falls, even take a dip in the natural pools below. Whether you're hiking, swimming, or just soaking in the beauty of nature, Tamarind Falls is a must for your adventure-packed itinerary. Next up, we're heading to the Casela National Park. And wow, this place is absolute gem. It is like stepping into the wildlife lover's dream come true. Imagine getting up close with zebras, giraffes, and even big cats like lions and cheetahs. For the adrenaline junkies, you can even go to a zipline adventure through the lush forest or try a safari tour to get a real feel of Africa right here in Mauritius. Trust me, this park is filled with unforgettable experiences for everyone. Alright, let's get those hiking boots on because the Morne Brabant is calling. This iconic mountain is not only a UNESCO World Heritage Site, but the views from the summit are absolutely worth the climb. It's a challenging hike, but once you reach the top, you will be rewarded with panoramic views of the island coast and crystal clear waters. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or just looking for an adventure, this is an experience you can't miss. Next up, have you ever wanted to see an underwater waterfall? Mauritius' Underwater Waterfall is one of the most surreal sights you'll ever witness. This natural phenomenon is an optical illusion created by the way sand and water meet at the edge of the island's reef. Trust me, this is a bucket list worthy spot and experience you won't forget. Last but definitely not least, you have got to explore the heart and soul of Mauritius, Port Louis. From bustling markets full of spices and street food to gorgeous colonial architecture, this city is a beautiful mix of old world charm and modern vibrancy. Don't forget to grab a bite at the local food stalls. Trust me, the flavors here are unforgettable. So there you have it, the top 5 things you absolutely must do in Mauritius. The island is literally paradise on earth, and I hope this video gets you excited to plan your next adventure. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more epic travel content. And let me know in the comments, what is the first thing you would want to do in Mauritius? Until next time, travel lovers, stay adventurous.